So, all right, guys, this is our first bit of math. Nobody panic. It's just some math. All right, so some in the chat, what formula am I showing here? Now, you can think about it in a math perspective or just like a general perspective. It's not necessarily a data science question, but what is the formula that I'm showing here? Give you guys a minute here to think about it. What's the formula? What's the name for this? All right, cool. Patrick, Muhammad, I'm already seeing great answers. Joseph, yep. You guys got it. It's a line, right? It's a formula for a line. That's all it is. That's all regression is, right? And Muhammad, yeah, it's rise versus run, as Muhammad talks about the slope, right? It's rise times run. That's all we're doing. And really, that's kind of like what I want you guys to just take away. That you shouldn't be thinking about this as complex approaches. It's just lines, right? Angel Torero, welcome to the chat.